have that kind of fetish to show myself. So tabbouleh is basically a very famous Lebanese Syrian salad. I wanted that kind of connection and that kind of confirmation, like it's okay. I would always choose family. We're going deep, I like that.
Hello! Yeah!
You're here!
Finally!
Yeah, finally!
Yeah! So you take me here.
Yeah. I wanted you to have some authentic, full Syrian experience. So you have the Syrian man, now it's the Syrian food. So you see, like you will have a full Syrian experience.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
So, why you bring me here?
This is something I usually do when I visit a new city. I visit a Syrian restaurant, and it's something that takes me back home where I grew up, and food was a huge part of the culture. This is something that I miss the most. And when I have something special or where I want to take someone and let them know about me a little bit or something that I like, I enjoy, it's Syrian food. So here we are. Do you need some water?
Thank you.
I'm a good host.
Tell me about yourself and how did you come with the name of LEVANTOTTER?
Interesting. I think I wanted something to have a connection of who I am. And it was important for me to honor not just physically, but also background, where I am from and what cultural heritage I have. And I have that kind of like slim, hairy body like an otter. So I've always been an otter, and it has always been part of my usernames everywhere. And then I wanted something to say like, hey, I am from Syria and this is who I am. So I wanted something like sounds a little bit unique. That's how I was looking for names and stuff. And then I was like, oh, okay, LEVANTOTTER, that sounds really nice. Actually, before I had another name. It was Hairy Otter, and the idea that it was a fun thing because, like I said, like my kind of slogan was Harry Potter, but make it Harry Otter. Because like I'm a really big fan of Harry Potter, so it was the kind of like playing on this. But then I wanted, like when I was like looking for something more professional, let me say this, so I was saying like LEVANTOTTER, that should be it.
Then maybe you need to pick a house in Hogwarts.
Definitely the one with from Harry Potter. What was the name again?
Oh, Gryffindor.
Gryffindor, thank you. I'm terrible with names, so.
Why do you think it's that one?
We're going deep, I like that.
You know that I will go deep.
Okay, naughty. Now you're making me blush. I'm a very shy person. You know, I don't do anything naughty. I think I have that, like being a team and doing everything for family and friends. And this is something I really have. Like, I would always choose family, and I would always do anything for my friends to help them, support them, lift them up. Friends for me are something so precious, and I don't take it for granted. So I think I have that kind of like teamwork. Like I really like to work with my friends, with my family, with people I really like, enjoy, and lift each other up to do something really nice. It's that connection. It's really that connection. I totally enjoy it.
You told me earlier that you moved here like 10 years ago, around that. So what was the biggest culture shock when you moved here?
I'm trying to choose my words nicely. I don't want to sound too harsh, but I think I was so surprised how slow things work here and how people still love paper and still like use paper and everything, like everything, it feels like it's still 1930, 40, and it's not 2000. You know what I mean? Like you still, in a lot of places, you still need, like you can't pay by card, you still need cash. Like if you do something, you book an appointment or a ticket or something, you still have, like you receive it by email, but you have to print it out before you go somewhere. So I still like don't understand how, like, I think when you hear of Germany, you would expect some super modern land where everything is super digital and you just click and everything happens out of nowhere. And then you come here and you say like, oh, like it took me a while. Like if you need something, you need to make an appointment, and then you have to wait like 2 or 3 weeks for the appointment, and you go there and they ask like for a lot of papers, so you bring those papers, then you need another appointment, and like it takes forever to do simple stuff where I feel like this could have been done electronically, online, with a few clicks. In 2 days I'm done. But yeah, and I think like in the first few months I had a huge folder of just papers. Like I received a lot of like posts and letters and things. I literally has like a huge folder of just papers, and that was like not 6 months in Germany.
Maybe explain me a bit about the thing that they just serve us. What are they?
This is like some starters. So this is kibbeh. I think it's super famous. Like it's kind of dough filled with minced beef with some onions, some nuts, I would say, and then it's fried. Very nice. We should eat it because like it's best warm. And this is tabbouleh. So tabbouleh is basically a very famous Lebanese Syrian salad. It's finely chopped parsley, some mint, some tomato, some onions, some burglar wheat. So yeah, so this is something very traditional you would get in every Syrian restaurant. And give you some on your tip, on your plate.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I will get you some from the top. And try it. If it's nice, I will have some. Oh God, I love tabbouleh. I think I can eat every day. I wouldn't be bored.
So what you order for me?
So I ordered maqloubeh. Maqloubeh is literally means upside down. So it means because like you are having layers, like you have the eggplants, you have the meat, and then you have the rice. That's how you cook it. And when it's done, you flip it on the other side. And now this is what you see. You see now the eggplants on the top, and then you have the meat and then the rice. Yogurt, salad, and some yogurt, some mint, and some cucumber. Very traditional, one of my favorite dishes. For me, this is okra with rice. This is how we make rice in Syria. And this is also something very traditional. And I think those are the stuff that I don't know how to make. So when I go to a restaurant, I like to order that kind of stuff. And those are also where one of my favorite dishes is back in Syria, what my mom used to make, and I would really enjoy those. So I wanted you to try.
How has living in Germany changed the way like you express yourself sexually compared to when you were back in Syria?
Now I'm way more free to express myself. Because like you know, you are living in a society where homosexuality is not illegal or is not punishable by the law, and there is a huge acceptance in the German society. That kind of freedom that I didn't know before was very liberating. Like you can walk here on the street holding hands with your boyfriend or having kisses with your boyfriend, even dress in a way like that shouts out, hey, I'm gay. It's totally different than being in a country where you get punishable for even the slightest or the smallest sign of being gay. You know what I mean? So I think it's just like here, that kind of freedom lets you explore more about like your fetishes, about your kinks, about like what you like, what you really don't like, what excites you, what turns you on the most. It comes with that kind of freedom to like, it's okay to be myself.
And what's the habit that you caught? Like the German habit that you caught when you were here?
Definitely overcomplicating things. I think when you grow up in a country like Syria, things happen more naturally. Like you just ride the flow, you know what I mean? But here you have like every little thing you need to plan it. And you need to think about the consequences and what you have this and that. And like the insurance, and something happened, who pays? And if that doesn't go right, what could happen? Like going out with friends, traveling. It feels like you're doing like some super project. And I miss that sometimes. I think that's the reason why I love to go to Spain, for example, because I feel like I have that sense of culture that that's similar to Syria, where you just like go out, enjoy your time. It's sunny. What do you want to do? Let's go to the beach. Let's have fun. Let's go for a drink. And everything happens more naturally, which is like amazing. I miss that. But now, like since I live here, I do it the German way, where I try to organize every little tiny details in advance, and then I will be like booked or I will be like planned for 3 or 4 weeks in advance.
And what inspired you to start doing sex content?
Obviously, I have that kind of fetish to show myself. So it felt like the natural development of things. You know, like I don't mind being looked at, I don't mind showing my body. I don't feel that kind of like shame or embarrassment. And then when I had that chance and I did it, the first time when it happened, I thought I would be so nervous, and because there's a camera and stuff, but I think after a minute or something I forgot about the camera and it happened naturally. And then I was watching back the footage and it turned me on. And then I started posting, and then I'm getting reactions, like everything, it felt natural, you know what I mean? I think it was just a natural development of stuff. Like obviously I have that kind of fetish to exhibition, to show myself.
So I think we finished our meal here. And yeah.
I've been a good boy.
Good boy.
Yeah. I hope you like the food.
Of course. So where are we gonna go next?
Do you want to have a coffee or something?
Of course.
So we can have a walk, we can have a coffee or something.
Okay, so we're here.
Flowers, some candle, very romantic, right?
As a performer who like has a Syrian background, have there any challenge for yourself to do something that considered taboo in your origin culture?
I think it took me some time, but at some point of your life, when you reach a certain age, you just want to live your authentic self. So you don't want to hide, or you don't want to pretend, or you don't want to like be a certain type of person just to please some group of people. You just want to be yourself and say, hey, this is me. You take it or you leave it. And I think I am at that point of my life where I say like, this is something I really enjoy. I have fun doing it. and I think I'm doing a good job. I know it's a big issue in Syria, and it could be maybe dangerous in some situations, but like I don't want to live with fear my whole life. I'm here in Germany, and it's okay what I'm doing.
If a young gay guy in Syria saw your content, what would you like for them to take away beside the eroticism from the work?
I think I know the struggle. When I was growing up, and I think that's no secret that you watch porn, right? Like everyone has done it. I think I have struggled to see people from my background that maybe they look a little bit like more like Arab guy type of things. It's not because like about the fetish or the kink, but I just wanted to feel seen. Like I wanted to know like what I'm feeling is something normal, and it's not just me. There are other people in the world who share the same background, the same heritage, the same culture, the same way of growing up. They also feel the same way. You know, I wanted that kind of connection and that kind of confirmation, like it's okay. What I'm doing, I hope to tell like young queer people from the region, you can be yourself and you can be as free as you want if you're not doing anything wrong, which is not. I want them to feel seen, and I want them to know like, hey, there are people like you. Dankeschön.
What do you have here?
I took like some milk coffee with double espresso. Looks really nice. I've been a good boy, so I have deserved it.
So you finish your coffee?
I did. I took you for dinner, now coffee. I think you need some desserts, right?
Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more adventures and tell me in the comments who should I ask out for the first date next. Follow our socials for more content, links below. Bye bye!